Hey kids, welcome to Bring Up Education. I am Muskan and today we are going to discuss some GK questions on countries and capitals. So let us go through some questions. Question number 1. Dash is the capital of Russia. Options are Moscow, New Delhi, Havana, Prague. So the answer is Moscow. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Let's move to our second question. What is the capital of Canada? Options are Toronto, Ottawa, Santiago, none of the above. So the answer is Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of Canada और यहाँ पर कनाडा कंट्री का फ्लैग दिया हुआ है. Now, question number 3. Canberra is the capital city of which island continent? Options are Australia, Asia, North America, Africa. So the answer is Australia. Australia is a country whose capital city is Canberra. So ये यहाँ पर ऑस्ट्रेलिया का फ्लैग दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. और अब हम अगले क्वेश्चन के लिए चलते हैं. विलिंगस्टन इज द कैपिटल ऑफ विच कंट्री? ऑप्शंस आर न्यूजीलैंड, यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका, केन्या, नन ऑफ द अबव. सो द आंसर इज न्यूजीलैंड. न्यूजीलैंड इज द कंट्री whose capital is Wellington, right? Now our question number 5. What is the capital city of Italy, which is also referred to as eternal city of the world? Options are Rome, Washington DC, Tripoli and Skopje. So the right answer is Rome. Rome is the capital city of Italy, which is also referred to as eternal city of the world. So let's move to our next question. So Lima is the capital of dash country. So tell me students, which is the country whose capital is Lima? So the options are Pakistan, Rwanda, Poland and Peru. Let me tell you the right answer, Peru. Peru is the country whose capital is Lima. So our next question is Nairobi is the capital city of which country? Options are Kenya, Japan, Iraq and Iran. So the right answer is Kenya. Kenya is the country whose capital city is Nairobi. So let's move to our next question. Thimphu is the capital of which Asian country? So the options are India, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Afghanistan. So भूटान कंट्री के बारे में तो आप लोगों ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा सुना होगा, ये फेमस कंट्री है. सो इसका कैपिटल सिटी जो है वो थिम्पू है, ठीक. सो आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इराक? ऑप्शंस आर बगदाद, तेहरान, न्यूयॉर्क, सिडनी. सो द राइट आंसर इज बगदाद. Baghdad is a capital city of Iraq. So next question. Dash is the capital city of India. You all know, right, which is the capital city of India? Tell me students. So first I tell you the options. Mumbai, New Delhi, Lahore, Hyderabad. So guess the students. Yes, so the right answer is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital city of India. Now our next question, what is the capital city of Israel? So the option is Dublin, Rome, Baghdad, Jerusalem. So the right answer is Jerusalem. Jerusalem is the capital city of Israel. Let's move to next question. Vienna is the capital city of which country? Options are Austria, Bahrain, India and Hungary. So Vienna is the capital city and we have to tell which country's capital is Vienna. So the answer is Austria. Now our question number 13 is about Athens is the capital of which southeastern European country? Options are Greece, Germany, Finland, Czech Republic. So the right answer is Greece. Greece is a country whose capital city is Athens. Now our 14th question, Dash is the capital of Malaysia. So options are Malé, Kuala Lumpur, London and Seoul. So here the right answer is Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur is the capital of Malaysia. Now let's move to our next question. Amsterdam is the capital city of which country? Options are Nepal, New Zealand, Netherlands, Myanmar. So the right answer is Netherlands. Netherlands is a country whose capital city is Amsterdam. So I request to you all students that you have to remember as much as countries with its capital as you can और जितना भी आप लर्न कर सकते हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंट्रीज़ उसके साथ साथ उसके कैपिटल आप लर्न करिए। और यहाँ पर हम लिस्ट ऑफ कंट्रीज़ दे रहे हैं जहाँ पर बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ हैं उनके कैपिटल के साथ और ये सारे अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज्ड हैं। सो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर अल्फ़ाबेट ए की लिस्ट लगी हुई है, ऑप्शन बी अल्फ़ाबेट बी के भी कंट्रीज़ हैं और इसी तरह से आगे भी बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ के उनके कैपिटल के साथ लिस्ट दी हुई है। सो आप इनको देखकर आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंट्रीज़ के कैपिटल लर्न कर सकते हैं ईज़िली। सो लेट्स मूव टू more list. So you can see that there are all the countries covered with its capital. For example, South Korea with capital Seoul, Spain with capital Madrid, Sudan with capital Khartoum. Similarly, all the countries with capitals are given. You can see that United Kingdom is the capital, is a country with capital London. So you can see. So I hope that you have understood the questions, and if you have any query or any doubts, please comment me on my comment section. Thanks for watching.